the Fokker 100 flight, one of the final Virgin Australia ones today. One of the final flights of this aircraft. So, got some fun things planned, let's go. So Virgin Australia are actually retiring the Fokker 100s as they are replacing them with brand new Virgin Australia Embraers. I'll chuck a picture of that I've got of one of them here. But we should be getting a few more within the next year, so yep. So there it is, our flight at 11 AM. There's our flight. Here it is, Victor Hotel, Foxtrot Sierra, Quebec, ready for departure soon. And here is Jetstar A321neo, which I'll be flying in December. We are in Terminal 1 Domestic now to do some more spotting before our flight. So hopefully we can see some good stuff. There's our little Fokker 100 over there. Oh, and then a bunch of Virgin Australia 737s and A320s. Nice flare. Ooh, smooth, shaky. Shaky landing. Here's a quick time lapse of the Embraer A330 taxiing to gate 154. Okay, now heading back to Terminal 2 as we're going to wait for our flight. Just the way Mauritius, as you guys saw. And hopefully we have smooth departure and everything goes well. So, see that. There's our flight. We're about to board. I'm actually quite nervous but excited as well for this opportunity. Through the boarding gate, through the check-in to check the ticket, we are now officially airside. Whoa, there it is! The Fokker 100! Let's go! Right now, just waiting to take departure. Okay, you got the safety card. Some nice as always. Some medical stuff. Yeah. I don't think we'll be having any snacks on this flight.
Oh, yes, I'd like to introduce you to the rest of our team. Our captain this morning is James Horn, joining the flight deck first officer Simon Montfort and Zorosh Sikia. In the cabin today will be Carolyn and myself, Casey. We'll now take you through our safety demonstrations, so please pause your devices and give us your attention for just a few minutes.
There's also some Virgin aircraft parked outside, such as this 737-700, which also flies to mine sites every now and then. Okay, so we have began our taxi to runway 03 today for our departure. Our flight will be flying around the Perth CBD and as well over Rottnest Island. Like I said before, there are so many Virgin Australia aircraft parked about. So a little backstory while we taxi. Virgin Australia have had the Fokker 100 since 2002 with the registration VH Foxtrot November Charlie being the original one from Sky West Australia, which it inherited. Here we have a Qantas 737 taxiing, also going on a flight, but not a Joy flight like us. Okay, we are now pulling onto the runway, and I'm going to remain completely silent while we take off so you guys can enjoy this. awesome. Alrighty, we are now airborne and we are going to be climbing to an altitude no higher than 6,000 feet for this flight, which is quite rare for a Fokker 100. We've just done our first turn out of Perth and we shall be getting things started now. Okay everybody, we are now in the air, climbing around 2,000 feet. Gonna be heading out over to Rottnest as we currently bank. Nice little bank over the north suburbs. Been pretty smooth takeoff. Yeah, you guys do not want to miss what's coming later, so stay tuned. So we are now banking, so we should be able to get to the city soon. And as you can see all the houses down there. And laser, yeah. The ocean, just getting ready to come over Rottnest Island, grab some photos, then a few seconds around there before we come back into Perth. The next part of this
Just arrived at Rottnest Island. We're going to start some right engines, the aircraft distance times, and passengers up the right between them. After that, we'll change the direction.
now cruising over to Rottnest, doing some banking. Over there, and we go. Okay, heading back now towards Perth. We've done a bit of circling around. Should be on the ground in about 20 minutes. Final thoughts of the flight is been quite smooth, just gone through some turbulence. Just getting ready for landing now, descending. But yeah, about to land. Yeah, this is probably one of my favourite aircraft I've flown on the Fokker 100. It's just such a nice plane. We'll see you on the ground. Yeah, I'm not going to really do much commentary, just like the takeoff, but we are about to land, so enjoy. I'll put this around my neck so it just doesn't go flying.
smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes of any kind isn't allowed anywhere on the tarmac or anywhere in the terminal. And if your devices are in reach, you can now take these off flight mode. Just note they can't be used while on the tarmac. Thank you for joining us on this historic flight. Your presence makes this farewell even more meaningful. The F100 has been an iconic figure in WA aviation, connecting communities and creating countless memories in the skies. A heartfelt thank you to everyone who has flown, worked and cared for this aircraft over the years. It's truly an end of an era. Here's to honouring its legacy and looking forward to an exciting future ahead for Virgin Australia Regional Airlines. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and we'll see you next time.
Anyways guys, thanks for watching as we are here in the Virgin hangar as we say goodbye to this plane. But here are some of the photos that I got from today of the final remaining Fokker 100s, I should say really, as they will be officially doing its final official flight on December 31st, 2025, as they are being replaced with the Embraers, like I said earlier in the video. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned as big things soon.